Purebliss so natural. Everything cool and it ain't natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Purebliss very nice and so natural. Make your skin tight, skin fine. Make your skin so natural, skin fly. Make your skin day spotless, skin nice. Make your Purebliss very cool like an ice.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yet another tutorial on Cellulite body polish. So guys, for this mixture we'll be needing half a cup of brown sugar, I have here 1.5 tablespoons of coffee, one and a half tablespoons of licorice extract, one tablespoon of magic derma, one tablespoon of Santarde hands and feet, one tablespoon of magic derma. So to the mixture, 1 tablespoon of almond oil, one tablespoon of DH7 herbal serum, one tablespoon of 10 essential oils, and your lemongrass essential oil, 5 to 6 drops of lemongrass essential oil. Mix this together. This scrub can be used to eliminate cellulite on the skin, cellulite on the stomach area or on the lap. It can be used all over the body, but especially on the areas where you have cellulite. This smells really good. It smells good because of the coffee in it. Wow, I can't wait to use this. That's it guys. Leave to set for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes and it's ready to use. This body scrub will help to eliminate cellulite on your skin, cellulite especially on your stomach area, your lap and your legs. Enjoy this recipe guys, and I'm looking forward to having feedbacks, positive feedbacks on this recipe. Thanks guys for watching.
Purebliss so natural. Everything cool and it dey natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Purebliss very nice and so natural.